Hello everybody, thank you for joining us in the business communication class today. Our presentation today is about Starbucks feasibility study, opening a Starbucks store in Afghanistan. The presentation is prepared by me and my team, Tamana Aziz, Latifa Hutaki, and Halima Habibi. Our introduction will include Starbucks feasibility of coming to Afghanistan, whether it will be successful or not. And you guys will find out in further of our presentation. Purpose of the report. Purpose of the report is to evaluate the effectiveness, successfulness, and productiveness of our report. And then we will have the focus of our report. Our report it will focus on information on Starbucks, agreement on its coming to Afghanistan, cost analysis, raw material supply, and survey. Now I would like to ask my friend to join me in the presentation and present her part. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Our survey findings about the Starbucks shows that popularity between Starbucks has popularity between people and their agreement of opening a store in Afghanistan. Based on our survey, which was distributing questionnaire to 100 students from three different universities, we find out that 50% of people they know about the Starbucks, and 85% agree on having Starbucks in our country. So, based on our survey findings, we also see that the raw material supply in Afghanistan, the raw material is available in our country. We have the inexpensive raw materials. For example, in our country, we do have the olive, we do have the saffron, and also we do have the tea, which we can include and use in our Starbucks store. We also have, it's easy for we have a lot of resources. As I mentioned before, we do have the tea and other things in our country. Based on our survey findings, the chart you can see that the amount, we also asked people about the cost that they can pay for the Starbucks. The questionnaire included two more important questions. The first one was how much they already pay for the drinks they use, and how much they can pay for the Starbucks. We can, based on this survey, we can find that only $2 is an affordable cost. For $2, which is 100 to 200 Fs, is an affordable cost for the Afghan people to pay for the Starbucks, which also include our recommendation. So this was my part, and now I would like to ask my friend Halima to talk about recommendation and conclusion.
Hello everyone, this is Halima, and I'm going to talk about the recommendations that we have for opening Starbucks in Afghanistan. So we sum up that according to our findings, we have to open a Starbucks in Afghanistan, and it's possible. And for promoting the Starbucks in Afghanistan, we have some recommendations, as you can see in the slides. The first one is that we have to prepare a promotion plan, which means that we have to take programs or do something to promote Starbucks in Afghanistan. For example, one thing we can use is using the social media pages, which has so much popularity between Afghans and it has so many users. We can make a Facebook page or a Twitter page and start marketing for our product. And then the second one is meet the responsible people for lowering the price, which means that those people who have authority for limiting the price, we should meet with them. Even and if they are not in Afghanistan, we contact them for helping us for coming to a solution for lowering the price, because Afghanistan majority people are poor and living in poverty, and we want a product that everyone can use it. So we want to lower the price. And the other one is to consider the need of customers for a relaxing environment, which means when a person comes to drink coffee or tea, which means they're tired, they need to relax. And that's why we want to we recommend to make a relaxing environment and a secure environment so that the customers can enjoy their coffee. And also, we need to give information about Starbucks to customers, to anyone who is interested to drink coffee, to drink tea. We have to give them information about Starbucks. To conclude our findings, our presentation, we can say we come to a conclusion which is based on our three-member agreement, which is Starbucks has a feasibility to open a store in Afghanistan, and this is possible. So this is the conclusion of our presentation. Thank you for your attention.